Ever wondered what AI tools can do for you as a creator? We live in an era where technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and this includes AI tools that can truly revolutionize the creative process. These tools bring about a wealth of benefits. Think efficiency, accuracy, and even the ability to generate new creative ideas. And no, this isn't science fiction, it's the new normal. So stay tuned as we introduce 10 AI tools that every creator should be using. Starting off our list is a game changer for graphic designers, DeepArt. This innovative AI tool transforms your everyday photos into breathtaking pieces of art. Imagine having the power to render your images in the style of Van Gogh or Picasso at your fingertips. It's like having a digital art studio in your pocket. Next, we have Grammarly, a must-have tool for content writers. This AI-powered writing assistant helps you eliminate errors, enhance clarity, and deliver your intended message effectively. It's like having your personal English professor available 24/7. Lastly, for this segment, we have Lumen 5. Tailored for video content creators, it turns your articles into engaging videos. It's like having a video production team right in your laptop. But hold on, we're just getting started. Next up are some even more exciting tools. Imagine having an AI assistant that can create music for your videos. That's exactly what Amper Music does. This AI tool composes unique, royalty-free soundtracks tailored to your content. No musical expertise required, just input your preferences and let the AI do the rest. Next up is Jarvis, an AI-powered writing assistant. Whether you're drafting a script, writing a blog post, or crafting social media captions, Jarvis can help you write more effectively and efficiently. Last in this set is Canva's AI, which offers design suggestions to enhance your visuals. It analyzes your design and suggests improvements, making it easier for you to create eye-catching graphics. Intrigued? Well, we're not done yet. The next set of tools might just blow your mind. Ever thought of an AI that can help you brainstorm ideas? Meet Iris AI. This AI-powered tool can scour through research papers and present you with relevant information, giving your brainstorming sessions a scientific edge. Next up is Runway ML. A dream come true for visual creators. It uses machine learning to help you manipulate and transform images and videos in ways you've never imagined. Then there's Pexel's API. Tired of spending hours searching for the perfect image or video? Pexel's API uses AI to search through its vast library, saving you time and effort. Finally, we have SyncSketch. This tool uses AI to allow multiple users to draw on the same canvas simultaneously, promoting collaboration and bringing a whole new level of interaction to your creative process. These are just a handful of the AI tools out there that can take your creativity to new heights. Dare to experiment with them and revolutionize your creative process.